Imagine, the end of the world has come. There is still electricity, but the internet is no more. Neither Google, YouTube, no assistants, only you and your gadget. What to do? What if I tell you that AI can work right on your phone or laptop, completely offline? Today, I will show you how to launch a local chatbot on a computer and smartphone for free, without the internet. All you need is to install an app and download the model once. On Windows or Mac, we will use lmstudio, and on Android and iOS, we will use PocketPal. Links in the description. And I will show you the best language models, including Llama, Qwen, and the latest Gemma 3 from Google, which perfectly understands and speaks Russian. Let's go. What is local AI and why is it needed? It's a neural network that operates directly on your device without internet access. Complete privacy, no one sees what you write. It even works in doomsday conditions. And if there is electricity, you will always have access to knowledge. Installation on the computer lmstudio. Go to the lmstudio website, download and install the program. Inside lmstudio, click search and select the model Qwen 2.5, which can work in Russian, suitable for communication and commands. Gemma 3, a new model from Google, understands Russian excellently and provides logical, calm responses. LLama 3 is one of the most powerful open source models, especially good at logic and creativity. Choose the model format. The program will suggest which one is suitable for your device. For example, Iyaki, Aziabiyad, Kaifi, Mehi, Asa K44 formats work excellently even on weak computers. The fewer parameters a model has, the fewer resources it requires. Example, we launched Gemma 3. Ask a question, how to cook borscht from available ingredients, and it answers calmly, thoroughly, and completely offline. Now, let's consider installing language models on a smartphone or tablet. Download PocketPal from Google Play or the App Store. The interface is simple. Select the model and download. Recommended models like Gemma 3, as on a PC, are great for conversations and assistance. Gemmasutra Mini is compact, tailored for role interaction. Qwen is also a good option, but my choice at the moment is Gemma 3. Everything works locally, without the internet, after loading the model. An example, we turn on PocketPal and ask, I injured my leg. There are no doctors nearby. I'm in the forest. What can I use to prevent infection and inflammation? And it explains step by step, without connecting to the network. Why is this important? Security and autonomy. No servers track your actions. It works on trips abroad, at the country house, in the forest. It can be used for learning, taking notes, generating ideas, and even survival. AI without the internet is not the future. It is already reality. Try lmstudio and PocketPal today. Choose a model for yourself, Qwen, Gemma, LLama, and make your gadget smarter, absolutely free and forever, even if the internet disappears. If you found this useful, give it a like, subscribe, and write in the comments which model you chose. Yay!